Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. If you're new to my craft room, then welcome. Happy Friday, guys. We're back here again on a Friday. I have a Dollar Tree haul. It is a small haul. I almost wasn't even going to do this haul, but I figured, yeah, I'll come on say hi to everybody anyway. Just nothing new, nothing, exciting. I'm hoping maybe once, the Halloween stuff gets put away, they're going to bring out more and maybe some newer Christmas things, because right now they have the same old ornaments out that they've had for years and years and years. Just, they cost more now. But, yeah, I just didn't find anything new that I found from the last trip. So I'm hoping next week maybe there'll be some new things out. I also went to Aldi's, and I was hoping Aldi's would have their new stuff out too, but they didn't either. So very disappointing trips this week. But anyway, I'm going to flip you guys around over here and show you what I picked up. Alright, picked up another one of my spick and spans. It's just a usual, you guys know this is pretty much every month purchase that I get at Dollar Tree. Love this stuff, works great, kills germs, COVID, all that good stuff. And it doesn't smell real strong, I always tell everybody that. It's the lemon lime scent, so I love that stuff. I did get some more tissues. I got 2 of them in the same print. I love these print boxes, so I got 2 more of these because, 'tis the season to be sneezing. So I got those. What do you get in here? Oh, there's 150 in here, so not too bad. Got those. My husband picked up some more soda. He got the grape in the Sprecher brand. Brewed good things, it says. But yeah, like I always say, glass bottles, nothing better for soda. So yeah, grape and orange cream he got this time. Orange Dream, actually. I didn't even notice that. I thought it said orange cream, but it says orange dream. Yummy, yummy. I'm not a big soda fan. He drinks more soda than I do. He also got another pack of the butterscotch snack packs. He likes these in the fridge. Something to snack on. And then what else did he pick up this time? This is different. He got some Raisinets. I let him go crazy in the snack aisle because, that's his thing at the Dollar Tree. So he got the Raisinets and some M&Ms. And of course, to get all that, you got to get some toothpaste. So I got the Crest 3D White, just a small one of these. I love this stuff. I like the taste of this stuff. It's Vibrant Mint, it's called, but I don't know. It just had different than some of the other ones, I think, in my opinion. I just like the taste of that better. All right, now, what else did we get? As far as new Christmassy kind of things, I did pick up one ribbon that I saw that I don't have. It's kind of like a sheer. Let me open this up because we got time here. Like I said, not a big haul. I just want to open this up and see what it looks like kind of unwrapped. It's more like a sheer ribbon, and it's a wired ribbon, but it's not, not completely sheer. But I thought that was real nice. Isn't that pretty? That'd be great to go in with some of your other reds and whites and all that cool stuff. And what is this? This is 1.5 inches and 108 inches. So there you go. Alright, so I thought that was pretty. Now I need to put a piece of tape on there to hold that. It's not all unraveling on me. There we go. Alright, so I got that. I got some berries, because I know I have berries downstairs. Have not got down there. There's 36 small berries of this kind. This is just the plain ones. And then you get 36 of these other small berries. And these have like the frosting on them, whatever. Look like it has a little snow on them. So I did pick those 2 up. I love those for crafting for Christmas. And let's see, I didn't get much at all for Christmas. I did pick up another pack of these little bows because I like these 2 for little DIY projects. You get 12 of them on there. And I'm sure I have some of these in my stash if I ever can get to it. But there it is. I got 12 of those. And I picked up 2 bags. 2 Christmassy bags that I thought were really, really pretty. And you know what? I don't have my receipt in here. I don't know what these bags are now. Maybe you guys know. But look how pretty these are. But you know, other stores are so expensive with their bags, so Dollar Tree's still a good price for these really large bags. This is a really large one. See, there's this nice wide bottom to it. The other side doesn't have the glitter on it. I like to use these for like, put them in like a picture frame for Christmas too. Some of these images are just so darn cute. That one's a real big one. And then so is this one here. This one I thought was really pretty with the little house all decorated up for Christmas. And then this side has the glittery accents to it. But look how pretty that picture is. And then on the back, of course, has it without the glitter. So if you wanted to do something with that too, you could do something. So pretty. Oh, I didn't even notice the little kids there by the snowman. I love that. Gorgeous bags. Got to give it to them for their bags. And I think that's all I got Christmassy stuff. Yes, it is. These things I picked up for my Amazon Parrot who loves to play with little things. He has a, what kind is it? Oh no. Oscar, no. Elmo. He has these, why is this thing ding at me they're still working on the road out here, so my watch may ding like every few minutes if somebody gets too close to our property again. Yeah, they are still working on it. Remember last week I told you they were starting to pave it? Well, they did. They put a layer of paving on it, and now they're out there digging up all the manhole covers, all the other whatever's underneath the ground there. It's like never ending. They've been out here digging and sawing and dump trucks, and everything's back. It's like they're never going away, I don't think. Anyway, he has the Elmo ones, and I got him these. I thought these were cute. He loves to play with these things. I know he's a parrot. It sounds weird, but he really likes to play with these things. He'll pick them up and chew on them and throw them and whatnot. So I got him that one, and then I got him the Paw Patrol. You know, they're just little rattles for kids, but he's a big kid. A big birdie kid. So he likes that kind of stuff. And I also got him, they also like to play with pacifiers. That's another thing, which is funny, especially when they grab it from the little silicone piece to it. It looks so funny. But yeah, that's another thing that they like to play with. And, you know, they don't eat any of this stuff. They don't eat the plastic or anything. They just, you know, play with them, throw them, whatnot. So I got those for him, not Charlie. He likes to play. I picked up 2 more of these. I like when I can find these thinner nautical ropes. Are they calling these? Yeah, nautical ropes. They have some that are really, really thick. I love this thinner ones that they came out with. And what do you get on here now? 9.5 feet. So there you go. So I picked up 2 more of those because these are great. All kinds of craft products. All year round, really. These are great like in the summer for crafting, in the summer for nautical stuff, or just to decorate things from in the winter. Whenever. Use it for tons of different things. I've got another bag of the 4-gallon little garbage bags. Like I said, I love these. They're scented. They're lemon scented. And I put my little doggies potty pads in there, and it really keeps the smell down. So, and they just get tossed outside right away anyway. But, yeah, I like them. They're the perfect size for that. I did buy another pack of these little mini wavy trays. You guys know I love to use these for my paints and things. I have several over here still, but oh, come on, open up. But you get 12 of them in here, and these are just perfect for when you're painting and stuff. Just to pour a little bit of paint into, and you can mix paints in there, whatever. But they're just a nice little size. They're perfect for that kind of stuff. So grabbed another one of those. Not that I really needed them, but you know, it was like Dollar Tree. It's like, yeah, I want to buy something. There just was nothing that I could say that I saw that like, oh my gosh, I got to get that because everybody's going to love it. There just wasn't. I don't know about maybe you guys' Dollar Trees are stepping it up more than ours are right now, but they did have the reindeer moss, which is my favorite moss to use. It's just so soft. It doesn't flake all over the place. It's just great for arrangements. So I picked up 2 of those. I think these bags may be a little bit smaller than they used to be. I don't know. I can't remember. It's 24 cubic inches, so it doesn't go by weight. So, yeah, I don't know. I don't have any old packages to even compare it to. It just seems like maybe they're not as much. I could be wrong. But anyway, that's it. that is all I picked up at Dollar Tree this trip. I was so disappointed. You know, you get excited sometimes to go in there to see what kind of new things they have, and a lot of the stuff that they had in the plus section is still the same stuff. I think I showed you guys pictures of most of that stuff before, and I picked up a couple things last time, but there was nothing new. Same old, and not much. So hopefully, maybe they're getting rid of the old and getting ready for the new. I certainly hope so. But anyway, I'm going to put this stuff away, out of the way here. I'll bring in Little P so he can say hi to everybody, and I'll be right back. Okay, here comes P. I brought everything in here, P. We've got the wood, we've got the peanut, we got the solar ball. We'll see what you want to do today. Probably nothing, because these trucks are back out here aggravating him again. Do you want your peanut today? No. You don't want it? Okay. Do you want your solar ball? Oops. You get it. You got big old claws. No, you know, I can't wait till these people get out of here. I know, I hear them outside too. I'm so sorry. I told you they were almost done, but they are not almost done. I know. They were supposed to be done. I think some things were done incorrectly out here that they're redoing, because there was a lot of cussing going on a couple days ago. They were mad. But I don't know what they were saying. I didn't hear too much, but all I know is they're digging things back up again, huh, Pay? Yeah, take your frustrations out on that solar ball. There you go. If somebody asked me if he eats wood, he doesn't eat wood. They just like to tear it apart, shred it. But no, they don't eat it. They just, for some... You have to throw it? Just drop it there and we'll pick it up. Oh my. You're taking all your frustrations out on that. Go, P, go. At least these last him a little bit longer than those pieces of solar wood that I got him. Because he can destroy one of them. You guys know, like in 10 seconds he's done with it. And they're expensive. These aren't even that expensive, which I'm surprised. You would think these would cost more than just the sticks, but they don't. They're only like $1 or something. Yeah. Yum, yum. I know, but you're getting it everywhere. You're gonna finish that one off today, huh? These stupid people out here are making me mad, and take all my frustrations out on this solar ball. Yeah, get it, P. Oh, you are just going ape on that today. Yeah, we definitely got to make something with your creation here. Huh. Go, P, go. Well, you may finish this off today. I figured these would take you a while. Not when you're in the mood, huh? Well, at least tomorrow's the weekend, P. It'll be quiet out here. At least you get 2 days a week that it's peaceful. Right? It's like, yeah. Let me get done with this thing. Wow. Yeah, I definitely think he's finishing that one off today. Not much left, Paige. Look, that's all that's left. Oh my goodness. Look, there's a couple on there. You want them? No? You done? He's done. What are you going to do now? Oh. You going to kick them all over now? Yep. Alright, doing your chicken scratch? Oh, that's funny. Not on the floor. I know you like everything on the floor. Here, let's make a pile of it here. Here, you want a pile to kick around? Here, look at that, P. Get it. This is going to be everywhere in here, isn't it? Is that fine? Oh my. Well, I'm glad you're enjoying this. Here, do it one more time, put it in a pile for you here. It's like jumping in a pile of leaves. P, look. P, look. You are silly. He used to do this. I used to buy him the boxes of the little jigsaw puzzle pieces, and he would get in there and just, I used to get him at Dollar Tree, just so he could get in the box and kick them all over the place. But then he stopped doing that. He didn't like to do that anymore. But now I think we found a new thing to, maybe we'll just save all these and put them in a big box for you to kick around in. What do you think, Tay? That's fine. Oh my goodness. Well, at least you're not being a big dull dud today. No. Pick it up and throw it. You did fine. You are a goofball. Go, Pete, go. Oh, now you're not gonna. Yeah, I know. A bunch of it went on the floor. I saw it. I saw it go. Come back. Up here comes another truck down the road, so we'll see. I know, I hear it. You're more interested in that today, so that's good. You are so silly. Well, you picked a good day to do this piece since we only had a little bitty Dollar Tree haul. Huh. Let's give people something fun to watch. Yeah, my crazy bird. My crazy bird. Here's your peanut. You want to kick that too? Nope. No, no, no. Let's not go. No, you can't have my bowls. You'll just break every single one of them. Alright, P. No, you're not going down to the floor, and you're not chewing up my mat here, because this one's pretty new. Yeah. Alright, we're going to save this stuff, P. And we're going to put it in a little container. And then when you get a whole big pile of them, that'll be fun, huh? What do you think? You coming back? No, no. You coming back? Make a blockade here so it doesn't... You're silly. Alright, are we done here? Can we step up here? Come on, no, you're never going to want to leave now. What do you think? You did fine. You're a silly boy. Alright, come on. Come on, we're going to say goodbye to everybody. I think that's enough. We're going to put these away, and we're going to save it for another time. What do you think? Huh? What do you think? Say thanks. Whoops, you're way up there. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this short Dollar Tree haul and Little P's goofiness. And we will see you guys on next time. Have a great day, everyone. Say bye-bye, P. Yeah, okay.